Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2025 GT3 Touring. This is a beautiful Slate Grey Neo over a black and Cohiba Brown interior. Just a stunning, gorgeous car. The silver trim up here really accents the silver wheels as well. Do a quick walk around here, and then we'll take a look at the interior. This does have front axle lift, which is a nice option to have if you have a steep driveway. It does have steel brakes, but it has the calipers painted in black. Let's take a look inside. One other feature out here, when these come in, they have the amber side marker light. This has been changed out to the clear, which really goes well with the color. Going inside, you can see this beautiful Cohiba interior with accents in carbon fiber. 18-way seats, so a bit more comfortable, I think, for a daily use. You have adjustments for your hip bolsters and your thigh bolsters down here via these two smaller buttons and a little bit more pronounced bolstering. Going into the back area, we now have able to get a back seat in the GT3 Touring, and this has it. So awfully nice and functional. Those seat backs fold down also, so it creates a nice partial shelf there. So get inside. You can see the carbon fiber down here on the console. Heated seats as well, since we have the 18 ways. We don't have ventilation, but we do have heated seats. Really nice extended leather up here, up towards the Sport Chrono. And then down here on the doors as well. And on the inside part of the door there. I'll start it up. As it sits, this car has 1,274 miles. It does come with a Porsche CPO warranty. It's the certified pre-owned that is takes on after the factory warranty is up, and it also allows for unlimited miles, which is awfully nice. Got your sport chrono dial down here. Go from normal to sport, and then a track mode. Coming over here, this is where the front axle lift button is. 6-speed manual, awfully fun. If you're not familiar with these, the new dash that came out, this is fully digital now, and we have a few different screens that we can go through. When you're in this screen, you can select the dial, and there's additional detail a little bit deeper. Select this one and go from the tire pressure to the G-force meter, back to the speedometer. And here in the center, we can go from the 5 dial to the 3 dial, which we just had, to a tracker oriented, our red line up towards the top. That can also be changed and rotated. So just some kind of neat additional functionality. If you have any questions, would like to see additional pictures or video of this car, please reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.